So sad our house is gone. Go back up one. I know it's something I want to say, but just...
I don't have a home anymore. My house is gone.
So sad our house is gone. Go back up one. I know it's something I want to say, but just... I really didn't think it'd be the last time I've ever so sad for everyone else going through the same thing. It's really hard. Just going through this and everything you went through. So hard for it. Thank you. Thank you.
It's literally gone. I've been crying all night. Thank God everybody is safe. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to compartmentalize this. I don't know what to do. All my stuff, all the last 5 years of my life. So the only thing I can do is go to work, and I'm gonna go to work today.